So before you completely give up on liver, I have a little trick here for you need to try. Let's do it. Now, I love liver. A lot of people like the idea of liver, but they don't like the strong taste. So I've got a little trick, it's a bit of a classic, to soften the flavour and tenderise the liver a little bit. What you're going to need is some delicious liver. My preference is lamb or calf's liver. And you're going to want to take yourself a bowl and some full fat milk. Pour your milk into the bowl and then, quite simply, lay your liver into the milk, and you want to soak it in there for about 2 to 3 hours. This will both tenderise the liver, remove the impurities, and it just softens that flavour a touch. And after 2 hours, take your liver out of the milk, and using a dry, clean towel, you want to pat that dry, stick your liver onto a plate, and from there, cook it however you wish. And today I'm going to show you a really quick, classic recipe for liver. And very quickly, give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. So you're going to want to take yourself some white onions, chop them in half and remove the skins, and you want to slice down your onions into nice thin strips. Work your way through your onions, and for 2 people you're going to want a good 2 to 3 large white onions. Stick your sliced onion into a bowl and then pop a frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat between medium and high, add a really nice generous knob of butter, and do me a favour and quickly get subscribed to the channel below. Chuck in your onions and then give them a season with some sea salt and black pepper. Stir your onions through, and you want to take your time to roast off the onions until they're really dark and golden brown. Don't be shy. So work the onions through, and when they're starting to get really nice and golden brown, add a nice little splash of a vinegar of your choice. Reduce down the vinegar till it's nice and syrupy, and our onions are ready. Next up, the liver. So add a nice generous knob of butter to your pan. When the butter starts to get nice and foamy, lay in your soaked liver and then give it a season with salt and pepper, and you want to cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Literally a minute on one side, give it a turn, a minute on the other, and repeat. You want to get the liver nice and golden brown, but springy to the touch. So give liver another chance, try this technique and see how you get on. I'll see you next time.